Hey everybody, this evening we're going to take a quick look at my code for the Acme project. If you look here, we see that home and template both are in the PHP extension. The home view over here uses modularization, including PHP, for the header, and then down here for the footer as well. That's also built in over here on the template, which uses pretty much the same setup as what I built for the home, with the exception that we have this space here that is blank for the rest of the body content to go later on as it gets turned into a different page. Over here, the template is running currently. This is what it looks like, and it functions pretty well. It is also responsive, just as the other one is. There we go. Breakpoint's a little bit more subtle for the template right now, but there we go. Switch back over to home. Over here on home, it uses all the standard semantic markup, HTML into head, followed by body, uses header, got h1, a plethora of div tags, and our ULs, footer down here within the body, closing HTML. It's worked out pretty well, I think, with doing its responsive aspect. Here we got about the size for tablet layout. It's not quite optimized for full screen, but I didn't think that was part of the scope of the project. But obviously there's more work that could be done for that. But here we go. Take a look. Let's find our breakpoint. There we go. Then back over here, my CSS is over in a separate file, which is called from home and template, which I'm sure you'll see as you look at the code, but right over here. It's all separate. Try to break things down fairly clearly whenever I do mine. But anyway, all that worked out pretty well. As far as validity goes, jump back over here. I ran into an error, and I'm not sure what to do about it. The only error is that it's catching my PHP code as an error. It wouldn't allow me to upload the file itself, but as I input direct code, it did run, and then it gave me these errors. So as far as validity goes, I'm not sure, because I've never quite come across this before, but I've never used that much PHP in my coding in the past. So not quite sure what to do there. If you could shed a little bit of light on that for me, that'd be awesome. But otherwise, everything seems to be running really smoothly. I enjoyed the project. It was a good jumpstart back into things. Anyway, I look forward to the rest of the course, and appreciate you listening.